Let's take a look at this problem. We want to find the vertex, focus, and directrix of each parabola with a given equation, and then graph it. So we've got y plus 4 squared is equal to 8 times x minus 2. Well, we have to see which one it matches. Squared is on the y, so we want the one with the squared on the y, which is the bottom formula. The bottom formula says we got y minus k squared is equal to 4p times x minus h. So we have to write it in that form. It's real close. This is y plus 4 squared, which is fine. It either has to be y minus a number or y plus a number squared. Now we have to rewrite the 8 as 4 times something. And this one's pretty easy. 4 times 2. And the x minus 2 is fine. This has to either be x minus a number or x plus a number. Well, our k is what's with our y, and it's opposite sign, so that's positive 4, so k is negative 4. Our h is what's with our x, and that's a negative 2, so h is going to be a positive 2. And our p is whatever number's in the parentheses here, so p is 2. Now our vertex is hk. Well, h was 2, k is negative 4. So that'd be our answer. Now our focus, working with the bottom formulas, our focus is h plus p comma k. So h plus p comma k. H was 2 plus p, which is 2, comma k, which is negative 4. So that'll be 4, negative 4. And our directrix is x equals h minus p. So x equals h minus p. Well, h we said was 2 minus p, which was 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So we got x equals 0. Okay, now to sketch it. Our vertex is 2, negative 4. So 2, negative 4 will be right here. Our focus is 4, negative 4. Which would be right there. And then our directrix is x equals 0, which corresponds with our y-axis. That'd be our directrix. And you notice that your vertex, let me erase that. Your vertex is halfway in between your focus and your directrix. It always should be. Now I'll drop a point somewhere. I'll drop it right here. And I want to move the point until the distance from the point to the focus and distance from the point to the directrix is the same. Maybe right there. Again, this distance from that point to the focus should be the same as that distance from that point to the directrix, forming a 90-degree angle. Sharp corner. Now I'll drop another point, and again I'm eyeballing the distance. I'm not very good at these, so keep that in mind. That distance from that point to the focus should be the same as that distance to the directrix, forming 90 degrees. It looks like it's I don't know, probably good enough. We're just sketching anyway. Now once you got 2 points, you know it's got a curve to it, so that'd be that. And by symmetry, we can go ahead and flip it down, and it gives us this part down here. And that'd be our graph.